The Chocolate Study by The Chocolate Study by Kayla Jones. I am a 29-year-old female nursing student who is not allergic to chocolate. Am I hungry right now? No, but I will eat whenever food is offered. I am not concerned about cholesterol consumption, and I do not avoid cholesterol in food and desserts. So that um I avoid unhealthy foods. That is, I disagree with that. I eat every chance I get, whether it's a salad or something that is high in cholesterol. Um, I do not hate nor love chocolate. If I had a chocolate cake in front of me, I would eat it, but I do not desire to eat chocolate daily nor weekly. Um, I love Hershey's brand. I'm neutral on that. I don't hate it. Chocolate is chocolate to me, whether it's Hershey's brand or Dove brand. I really don't have a preference. To me, they kind of all chocolate pretty much tastes the same. Overall, with chocolate A, which is Hershey's, I say like the moistness was good. It wasn't dry. The appearance, it wasn't really all that for me. I mean, it's in a brown wrapper, which I don't find it appealing. If I was in the store, I want to say, hey, let me get this Hershey's that's wrapped in brown. It's not appealing. Um, Overall rating of the chocolate, it was pretty good. I would try it again, and I want to go out of my way to buy it, and the flavor was decent. For the Dove chocolate, it was also moist. The appearance was a lot better than the Hershey's chocolate. Um, it wasn't wrapped in brown wrapper. It was like more like a foil that was gold, and it was more appealing to me. Um, I would definitely eat this chocolate again. Like I was saying, I wouldn't go out my way to really buy chocolate. I'm not really a chocolate lover like that. And the flavor was overall pretty good. Describe, tell me about your experience eating chocolate A. I felt like since it was like a chocolate bar and it had like the little squares divided, I felt like, how many squares should I eat? Should I eat half now, half later? Should I only eat a row? Kind of felt like if I kept eating, like it was a limit to it. But I did like that it was thin and it wasn't thick because like the thinness made it melt in my mouth a little better. And I like chocolate that is smooth and melts in my mouth. With chocolate B, the overall experience was that it was like in a smaller wrapper, and so it made me feel like I could take it on the go and I can limit the amount that I eat and I can just save some for later. Also inside of the small aluminum foil, there was like a little quote that I found that was cute. It said like love or something like that. I don't remember. I just really thought it was cute. The overall tasting, it was more like a chunk of chocolate opposed to Hershey's chocolate, which was thin, which really didn't give me that melting sensation in my mouth. And that's what I like about chocolate, is that it does melt in your mouth. So, and this is just a consent because we need a consent to participate into this study.